Welcome to this course, Synapses, Neurons, and Brains. You came in a very special time, very exciting time for me, I hope for you, because I think the world understood, finally, that this is the biggest problem that has to be solved, must be solved in the next 10, 20 years. And as a proof of it, the European Commission decided on a huge, big project, the Human Brain Project, to support us, a group of scientists, with €1 billion for the next 10 years. A new platform for brain research, we suggest. President Obama just announced that he himself, an American team all over the world also, will try to do another project for the brain, mapping brain activity. So these are exciting times. A lot of centers are being built, a lot of activity, a lot of interaction. So you came in a very good time to hear what I have to tell you. And this will be a teaching process about this fundamental structure of the brain at the level of cells and connection, synapses. It will be a course of 9 lectures, each one 90 minutes. I'll try to do it very communicatively and very happily together. And so the idea is to have 9 lectures like this. I will start in the first lecture to describe you the excitement. Why are we excited? What are the new technologies? What are the frontiers? What are the big problems? What don't we understand? And what we do. In the second lecture, I want to really introduce the basic ingredients, the basic elements of the brain. I want to speak about cells, about synapses, and about the networks that they together generate. In the third, I want to speak not about the anatomy, but I want to speak about the electrical activity and the chemical electrical activity in the network. So on the foundation of the network anatomy, there are signals, and these signals are the code, or the fundamentals of the code of the brain, and you will have to we'll introduce you to this aspect. And then we'll go even deeper. I will talk about 2 different types of signals in the brain, the passive signals and the active signals. We'll go deeply into understanding it, because these are the signals that makes us basically see, feel, move, create. We'll go deep into using all these 3 lectures. From 4 to 6, it will be about signals. Lesson 7 will go into the network level. So after you understood the anatomy and you will understand the signals, we'll talk about the network activity, because overall the brain is unique because it has such huge networks. And this network as a whole, when they are active, they generate together, not one cell or another cell, but as a group of friends connected cells, they generate a given behavior, a feeling, creativity, sadness, and a disease. We'll talk particularly about perception, and for this I invited a very prominent friend of mine, Professor Eli Nelkin, who will speak about from the network to perception, including audition and music. And eventually, in the last lecture, it will be more kind of futuristic. I'll try to discuss very, very provocative, very controversial issues: consciousness, free will. Can we, brain researchers, understand this high-level phenomena? What can we say today about this amazing phenomena? So I think it is going to be an interesting experience for us all. You are invited to ask questions as well via the Coursera interaction capabilities, and we'll see how we develop. So welcome to the new course. Thank you very much.